Have you ever wondered how this golden sunflower oil reaches your kitchen? Let's take a look at how sunflower oil is made.
Today, we are taking you inside the world's largest sunflower oil factory, where millions of tons of seeds are turned into pure, amazing oil. From tiny seeds to perfect bottles, this is the complete, incredible journey. Let's begin.
Everything starts in vast sunflower fields that stretch for thousands of acres. Each sunflower head contains hundreds of oil-rich seeds. Harvest time! Giant combine harvesters cut the fields and separate the seeds. Trucks loaded with 20 to 25 tons of sunflower head straight to the factory. At the factory entrance, seeds are received and the first quality check begins. Seeds are stored in huge silos to keep them fresh until processing. The real process starts with cleaning. Dust, stones, and impurities are removed. Dehulling machines separate the hulls, leaving only the oil-rich kernels. The kernels are rolled into thin flakes, just like potato chips. These flakes are cooked with steam to make the oil easier to extract. Cooking increases the oil yield and helps maintain high quality. Now comes pre-pressing. High-pressure expellers squeeze out the crude oil. Around 50 to 70% of the oil is extracted here. The remaining cake goes for solvent extraction. In solvent extraction, the remaining oil is pulled out using safe solvents. This crude oil now enters the refining section to become pure and edible. First step, degumming. Gums and phospholipids are removed. Neutralization removes free fatty acids using alkali. The oil is then washed and dried under vacuum. Dewaxing or winterization removes wax to make the oil crystal clear. The most important step, deodorization. Unwanted odors and flavors are removed in high-temperature vacuum. The most important step, deodorization. Unwanted odors and flavors are removed in high-temperature vacuum. Now the oil is clear, neutral in taste, and has a long shelf life.
Strict quality testing is done in the laboratory for color, taste, and purity.
Only after full approval is the oil sent for packaging. The entire factory is highly automated with advanced control systems. This giant factory produces thousands of liters of pure sunflower oil every single day.
Sunflower oil is healthy, rich in vitamin E and unsaturated fats.
The process is also environment friendly. Waste is recycled into animal feed. Now the refined oil moves to the bottling section. Automatic filling machines fill the bottles with perfect precision. Capping and sealing ensure every bottle is completely airtight. Labeling machines apply beautiful brand labels to each bottle. Bottles are packed into cartons automatically. Robotic arms stack the cartons onto pallets. Final quality check and weighing before shipping. Trucks and containers load the finished products for worldwide distribution.
All right, that's the last pallet. Seal it up.
Every small bottle contains the hard work of this entire massive factory.
All right, team, the good stuff is here.
This amazing sunflower oil finally reaches your home.
Wow, it smells natural, chef, buddy.
Hey, family dinner!
That was the complete process of how sunflower oil is made in the world's largest factory.
A perfect combination of nature and modern technology.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more factory tours.
Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite cooking oil?
In the next video, we will explore another amazing factory process. Stay tuned! Thanks for watching. Keep cooking healthy.
Thank you for watching till the end.
How sunflower oil is made. Amazing process in the largest factory.